All right, good morning, you guys. So today is Wednesday, January 7th, 2026, and the time is 11:17 a.m. And so I'm here on the NASDAQ E-mini futures market. And so what I want to do is a breakdown of the trade that I got out of about an hour or so ago. And so basically what you see here is the NASDAQ E-mini futures chart, and this is a daily chart. And so we can see where we're basically in an uptrend. So we had this high up here, ran down lower to this low, came back up higher, came back down deeply into this daily bullish order block, came up higher, failed to break above these highs up here. And what was formed in that failure attempt was this daily buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, which I have labeled as this blue rectangle. Okay. And so we can see where price ran down into that inefficiency, and it actually colored outside the lines a bit. It ran into, more precisely, this daily bullish order block. So this down close candle right here, which is actually a propulsion block because it ran into this bullish order block. So this here is a daily propulsion block. And what we can see is it ran down into that level. Let's change this color to light blue. And then right here is what I was doing. I had been reading how we responded to that buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. And we created this swing low right here Monday, we created this swing low. And so I got in a trade yesterday as well. Got into a buy and it panned out nicely. And then so after that buy, I was looking to re-engage today. And so we can see where today we've had another move up higher, and we're reaching up into our buy side liquidity up here, which is this old daily high. So to measure the responsiveness from this daily buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, I'll drop down to the 4-hour time frame. And so from the 4-hour time frame, we had this large down close candle. Okay. And then we could see where price worked its way up above it, and it ran up above it, and then it started to work its way back lower yesterday and working into early this morning. And I was looking to see how price responded to this 4-hour bullish order block. And so our next aligned time frame from the 4-hour time frame is the 15-minute time frame. And so that's what I was tracking this morning, is the 15-minute time frame. So we can see here where we have our New York Midnight opening price, which is 0 o'clock, and it's this purple horizontal line. We had our power of 3 accumulation, which is phase 1 of that power of 3. So it's where price accumulated right here around our New York Midnight opening price, and then it manipulated lower. Okay. And then we began our distribution. So that's 3 phases: the accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. So since I was bullish, I was looking for a bearish manipulation, and then that distribution is the price leg that I was looking to engage on. And so we had our market structure shift this morning, where we broke above this short-term high. Price came down into this 15-minute fair value gap and ran up higher one more time. So I was waiting for that second stage distribution of this market maker buy model. And once that formed, so once this candle here closed, it was this candle right here that I was looking to engage on. So as price started to work its way lower, I engaged. This price got like around to this price right here, and you'll see my actual entry and execution, a sped up version of it on MT5, which I'll clip over to after I finish this breakdown. But price ran down into about this level right here where I entered long. Okay, and then I put my stop loss right here below this candle body's close. And then I was aiming for our buy side liquidity here, which is drawn out by this green horizontal line. And we can see where that panned out beautifully. So we also can see where price is continuing to work its way up higher. We've had a nice explosive price run here early in the year on NASDAQ. It looks like the futures market's going to be expanding up higher going into the new year here. And I just want to capitalize on a move here. Now, we do have NFP this week, and today is Wednesday. And so this is usually where I look to be very nimble for engaging in the marketplace during this week. And so I was looking to just catch my 1 to 2 and get out. And that's what I'll clip over here to shortly. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to the actual execution and sped up delivery of my engagement this morning.